To our comprehensive guide on how to allow specific friends only to see your live video on Facebook. Let's walk through the steps together. Start by launching the Facebook app on your Android device. Tap on the What's on Your Mind section to create a new post. Select Live Video to begin setting up your live broadcast. Under your name, tap the down arrow to access additional options. Tap on See More to reveal further privacy settings. Select Specific Friends to customize who can view your live video. Mark the specific friends you want to allow access to your live video broadcast. By following these steps, you can control and limit the audience of your live video to only those specific friends you choose, ensuring a more tailored and exclusive viewing experience. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in demonstrating how to allow specific friends only to see your live video on Facebook. Connect with a select group of friends by customizing the visibility of your live broadcasts, creating a more personalized and engaging online sharing experience.